Hey guys, Shell Zelda here, and no weird intro today, okay? It's late, I'm tired, okay? I just got my LuvMe hair, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on camera. Hi guys. I wanted to do a quick unboxing on camera because I didn't want to open this off camera just because the packaging is beautiful. Okay, well, on the outside so far. This part is just for like the very small community that are looking for my videos, because YouTube says only 10% of my subscribers watch my video. So this part is for y'all. If you guys were wondering where I've been, I haven't been able to upload too much for the month of April. It's been a very busy month for me. I've been doing hair back to back. I did my friend Jaleesa's hair. I'm gonna do my sister from another Mister's hair and my co-worker's hair. And it's kind of back to back to back, so I haven't really had time to edit and upload. That's why this video is not going to be heavily edited, so I can just upload it real quick. But I should be back in May sometime and get back on track, but right now I am busy. So my next hair video more than likely is going to be a LuvMe hair video because I want to take a break from my lovely crochet. Obviously I still have it in, y'all. It's gonna be 2 whole months. I still have this hair in because I absolutely love it. I love, but it's time to take this joint out. So I ordered a LuvMe headband wig. Yes. Look at the packaging on that. That's very nice with a bow. It came from China, just so y'all know. You know, I'm not scared to open it. But let me just take this off. I had a busy day today, in case y'all know. I started my day off with going to the gym, then the doctors, then I went to Cablevision, then I went to FedEx, I went to Chipotle. I came home, I've been editing my Alice video for hours, and I just got this lovely LuvMe hair. I just want to open it. I'm tired, I didn't get sleep, so if I look a hot mess, my bad. So, this is what it says. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe. I can't read. That's what it says. So, oh, look at that, y'all. Look at freaking that. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. That's really nice. I'm used to buying my hair in packs from the beauty supplies, though. I don't know. They really do give you 5 headbands, because on my order it says extra headband times 1 or something like that, and I'm like, say on your website you're gonna give me 5, you know what I'm saying? No, it comes with 5 headbands. So let me look at that real quick. And I'm not one to wear headbands. If you watch my videos, y'all never seen me wear headbands, but I wanted to try something different. So they got this beautiful gold and blue one that has flowers. That's so nice. They got the all pink one. That's very nice. It look like underwear. Then they got this nice beige taupe color. Very nice. I like this. Very nice. They got this army one. Okay. Camouflage color. Very nice. And my favorite for last, because this is my favorite pattern. Cheetah or leopard. Whatever suits your fancy. But yeah, this is my favorite. I'm like, oh, yeah. Somewhere I feel like I'm in the jungle. They really gave your girl 5 headbands. And of course, last but wait, hold up. Wait, what's this? What is this? And look at the iridescent, I think it's called, iridescent package. It has that glow. Very nice. What is this stuff? Hold on, let me open this. Are you serious? Oh, look. Oh, it comes with, what is that? It's like, an extra band, I guess, for the back. And this is like a satin cloth. I don't know if this is something you put your hair in. It's like a satin cloth. I'm not looking at the, keep looking. Bobby pins, a LuvMe hair clip, an edge control brush that I kind of already brought. I brought a leopard color. And it has tweezers to, I have my glasses. Like, they really hooked your girl up. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is like a super investment, I guess. So I'm gonna put that on the side. And anything else? It just The gifts keep coming. This is the deluxe wig cap. It's in beige. Yeah, I guess so. I guess because they want to match a scalp, but my scalp is not that color. It's actually white. You know, white would match my scalp right about now because all the dandruff I have on. And that's about it. And it has this lovely little picture, and I guess it has the return and refund on the back. And it's like a little booklet and tell you about your hair and how to care for your hair and your wig. Very nice. I love things that have some sort of instruction, even though I don't be reading them, especially when it comes to electronics. And last but not least, we have the actual hair. Okay, I got the Jerry curl, the one that everybody sees, the girl with the fluffy, her. Just because I couldn't think of anything I wanted, but I wanted something curly, and I was like, I always get the wet and wavy type. I never get like a kinky curl, so let me try that. So let me just pull this out my bag. A very nice bag, by the way. This is 16 inch. Now that's long for me, okay? If y'all don't know, you're new to my channel, 16 inches long, because you're supposed to be wearing 14 inch. Why does somebody have to flush the toilet? Dang. 16 inch is always long for me because I like to wear 14 inch. That's just me. But at the time, they said only 16 inch was available. I was like, all right, I have no other choice. After I done ordered the thing and went back to the website just to see if they have other headbands or whatever, it said, oh, we have 14, 16. This, I'm like, really? But this is the wig. Oh my gosh. Now this is 16 inches, I'm quite sure stretched out, but this is all clumped up. Let's take the hairnet off. It already comes with the standard headband on, because it's a headband wig, so it has at least one headband on it, the black one. And it comes with, I'm just gonna have to rip it, because yeah, it's not. Take this out. And this is the headband wig. Unfortunately, I won't be trying it on in this video. Nope. Yeah, I can't try it on in this video because, you know, my hair is already occupied with another style at the moment. But my next hair video will be this, and you can dye this hair. I really don't want to dye any crazy colors. I just want the ends to be ombre brown. That's kind of what I want. I don't think they had any colors. I want the ends to be brown at the bottom. So hopefully by the time that I do that video, have the hair dye so I can dye it. And I want this to be ombre brown, but this is the headband wig, and this is what it looks like. It says it fits the standard 22.5, 22 inch 0.5, 22, well, y'all know what I'm saying. Nope. I hope this fits my head, because I got a little water head. Let's see if it fit my hair. Okay. I think I look good. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on my head with my kinky twist under. I think this is gonna look great, guys. Don't you think? Nope. Now let me stop before I make the hair all fluffy and stuff before it's time to use. But this is 16 inches, but you know, once you start combing it and stuff, because I did buy one of those, where is it? Hold on. I did buy one of those detangler brushes from Amazon. It was a 3-pack. It was only like $8. I brought a 3-pack of these. I got this color, green, and black. And you know, you can, I won't do that yet. Not yet. Hold on, brush. I'm not touching this bad boy. I'm putting it back in that bag. And I look crazy. I'm gonna put it back in the bag so I don't mess it up. But anyway, guys, that was just a quick unboxing review on the LuvMe headband wig. Okay, it costs, I think, $139. I think $139. Nope. I was able to finance it in 4 easy payments. Okay, $34.99. I was able to finance it for 4 easy payments by using their payments. I think it's called Afterpay or something like that. You don't have to pay for it in one shot. If you're like, dang, I want to buy it, but I don't want to spend that much money right away, you could do it in 4 easy payments like me, and they'll take it out your check every 2 weeks. I always pay for like the first 2 payments or the first payment, and then by the next time it's time to pay for it, just pay the whole thing. I always do that. But you don't have to. You can either pay it in full, or you can do 4 payments, which makes it so much more affordable for people like me, because it's just ain't got money. I'm trying to save for a car, y'all. sister need a car. I need to stop taking the bus. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in this hair video. Okay, that will more than likely be my next hair video because I do need to take this out. Oh, I might be doing my real hair too. Because if that real hair don't work, I'm putting that on. Either way, I'm doing something to my hair because I gotta take this out. But I don't want to, but it's time to. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching, please subscribe so you can see more of my weird content. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next hair video. Thanks for watching. Peace. I finally got me a headband wig. I must take good care of it. Mama is going to take very good care of this, okay? You be a nice hair and you work very well for me.